In today's edition of What's on the Porch, it's Juvia's place. And a card. Did that sound like a newsroom? That's what I was going for. So let's see what's in the box from Juvia. And hey, howdy, hey y'all, because I forgot to say hello. I was too excited to be doing the newsroom stint. I'm going to pull this out of the box. Juvia's place. They had a sale. And I went to the website and I put stuff in the cart and I took it out. And I put it in the cart and I took it out. And I put it in the cart and I took it out. And I put it in the cart and I took it out. And I put it in the cart and I took it out. And then, that damn Andy, you know, the one that does stuff, she said, I just ordered the Culture palette. And I was like, what Culture palette? And so, I went and looked, and here it is. It's the Culture palette. And oh my gosh. This is a 30 pan palette. This is their brand new palette, and I love Juvia's Place. I feel like with as many Juvia's Place palettes as I have now, that I may as well just consider myself a collector, because I almost have all of them. I'm working on all of them. I love how they wrap their palette in bubble wrap when they put it in the carton. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. It is just beautiful. Juvia's Place, of course, is cruelty free. This has a 24-month shelf life. I love the fact that Juvia's Place does not have a mirror in their palettes. That makes me very happy. I also like that you can bend them backwards and look at how stunning this palette is. Oh my gosh. It is absolutely just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And so there will be a collab coming soon to a YouTube channel near you. Look. You know we're gonna have to swatch some. This is Taraba. I know I'm not saying that right. Oh my goodness. What else have we got? So that Shade Saver, that was that one right there. And I want to do this one. And that is e.l.f. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What else? What else? Calabash. This one here. This is a glitter. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look. Wow. Wow, that is so pretty. And it really transfers very well. Alright, let's do Yoruba. Yoruba, this one here. I'm not going to swatch the whole thing, y'all, but oh my gosh, I mean, wow. And Bono. Oh, look at that. And I've got to do this purple, which is Bruno. Yep, nope. I cannot say it. Oh my gosh. And that is very purple in the pan, but it looks almost blue on my hand. Let's do this other one. Katanga. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. That is just a beautiful palette, and I cannot wait to use it. Cannot wait to use it. That palette is $36 on their website. So since I was already there and they were having a sale, and I had put things in and taken things out so many times that I'm pretty sure Juvia's place thought I had lost my mind, and this palette was on sale. This is the Violets, and I watched, I believe Andy Does Stuff and Erica Conger do a collab video on this palette, and I've looked at this palette so many times and was like, nah, and I've heard good reviews and bad reviews, and after watching them do that collab, I was like, yeah, because purple is my thing. I was like, yeah, I gotta have it. So this was on sale for $7.70, and I believe it's normally $15 or something like that. So that's beautiful. It's even more beautiful in person than it is online. Beautiful little palette. I'm excited about that. And so then, I don't have any Juvia's Place blushes, and they were on sale. I think you got them as a kit. They ended up being $9.90 a piece, and then I had a coupon for $12.70 off, so 20% off my cart. And this is the Saharan Blush Volume 1 and Volume 2, and I'm pretty sure that, I think it's Volume 2 is dark, but I don't care. I don't care about it being dark. Nope, Volume 1. Gosh. Look at how pretty those are. And I can't get the shade saver off it. Okay, there we go. I don't care about them being dark because I'll use them. If I can't use them as a blush, look at that. I'll use them as an eyeshadow. Look at how pretty that is. Although if you did that light enough, you might just be able to use it as a blush on my very, very light skin. And look at this one. Look at that. That is so pretty. Very pretty. Very pigmented. And I love that. Oh, look at this. They sting. Alright. Alright, Juvia's Place. Yep, still stained. Look at that orange. They're very soft too. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, look at it. Very pretty. Alright, so that's the Saharan 1. Let's open up the Saharan 2, which is more my shades. And again, they bubble wrap them in the box, which is really nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that purple. So pretty. And the two here in the center are shimmers, so they're more like a topper. Look at how pretty that is. Look at it. Oh. That's really pretty too. I love that color. Let's put this topper over it and see what happens. Very pretty. I like that. So I don't have a lot of blush on. I brought my brush. I'm going to try to do this in my monitor because I don't have a mirror right here in front of me. I want to take that. This is, the name of the shade is B. Just going to take a little bit. Doesn't take much, boy. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, my goodness. Y'all see that? Look at how pretty that is. I love it. Let's do this side. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. I'm going to take, after I scratch my head, I'm going to take just a little bit of that topper and put that on top of it. Can y'all see it? I can't see it. I can't see it. Maybe I'll see it on the side. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. That's pretty. Very pretty. So there we go. There's my just quick Juvia's Place haul. What's on the porch? I wanted to get it up because I knew that I was going to be using this Culture palette in an upcoming video. So I also got a very sweet card. I'm not going to show it because it's got our addresses on it. This is from Mari Cho. Look at the little puppy dog. And she sent me, I don't know if she knows this, but she sent me Dew of the Gods under eye patches. And these are my all-time absolute favorite eye patches because they are gel on one side and felt on the other. And I actually wear these to bed at night when I'm sleeping. I wear them, I put my serums and lotions and potions on, and then I put these on under my eyes and sleep with them all night. And when I wake up in the morning, my eyes are very hydrated and they're not as puffy as they normally would be. These are my absolute favorite, and I actually can get 2 nights use out of these. I take them off and put them back on I take them off and put them on like the little sheets, the palette, the shade savers that come in your palettes. I have one, I keep it, I just put it on there. And then when I go to bed, like tonight when I go to bed, I will take some rose water and just hydrate it, put it back on. They will last me for 2 nights. Love these. So thank you, Mari, very much for those. There's a butterfly on the inside. It says, Leanna, thank you so much for my giveaway prize. Love everything. Best Mari. She won one of my giveaways. And she sent me some cute little stickers. Look at the kitty cats. Everybody knows I love my kitty cats. And that says, hello, spring. And this one says, it's a good day to be happy. And I agree, it's a good day to be happy. So thank you so much, Mari. I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you enjoyed your giveaway goodies. Thank you so much for watching my Juvia's Place haul. Make sure that I always do the wrong side. Make sure you show that like button some love. It really does help out my channel. And if you want to, you can share out my channel. I'm really trying to get up to 650. I need a little boost. I don't know why I'm up, I'm down, I'm up, I'm down. So, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and at any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, this looks like your color blush. I'm pretty sure that you could take this color here. You know how the football players do this? And then when you're fishing, you got your blush on, but it's keeping the glare out of your eyes. Okay, so go to Juvia's Place. Maybe they're still on sale. All right, Mama loves you, boo.